In this video, you'll learn how you can easily update Snapchat to the latest version in 2026 on both your iPhone and Android device. So first of all, if you're on an iPhone, you'll simply have to head over to the App Store and simply search for Snapchat. Then tap on it, open Snapchat, and if it says update, you can simply tap on update like this to update it to the latest version. And if you're an Android user, you can simply head over to the Google Play Store and then simply search for Snapchat in the same way and update it. But in some cases it might say it open by default, but like technically your app is already up to date, but you still don't have access to some features that you are looking for. So in that case, you'll have to head back and go to the settings of your iPhone. In case you're an Android user, you'll simply have to head over to the settings of your Android, go to app section, look for Snapchat, and simply clear the cache of Snapchat application, and then uninstall it, reinstall it from Play Store, and it will fix your problem. But in case you are an iPhone user, you'll simply have to head over to the general iPhone storage, and then you'll have to look for Snapchat in the list of all the application like this. Open Snapchat, simply tap on offload. Basically, we are going to delete all the cache files that may be causing the problem related to the update of Snapchat. Simply offload it. It will not delete any of your personal data or files, and it will provide you an option of reinstall app. You'll simply have to tap on reinstall. Basically what it will do, it will force update your app to the latest version, and you'll be able to get access to all the latest features that you are looking for. If this video helped you out, hit that subscribe button below. It really supports the channel. Like the video and comment down below if you got stuck anywhere. I'll definitely help you out.